We're gonna make a lava lamp science experiment. So all you need is the ingredients. Well, four because of the bottle. So you need a bottle, water, vinegar, and salt. I'm gonna go get the vinegar and salt. Sorry I took so long. So now you're gonna get the vinegar and then place it in. Okay, so you place it in until it looks like, yep, like that. See? Like this. Okay. Now you need to put some salt in and watch it science. See? Look. No, I need more salt. Whoa! Isn't that so cool? Whoa, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what I should do next.